Breaking news, Karl Anthony Towns has signed a Supermax contract extension. It's for 5 years, it's worth $190 million. Everybody knows that Karl Anthony Towns, he's got tremendous potential, a very young player. He did have a bad playoff debut though. He struggled in the playoffs, but they were going up against the Houston Rockets and they almost went to the finals. They went 7 games against the Golden State Warriors. We're kind of going to give Towns a pass for that bad series. He wasn't himself in this series, and I expect him to bounce back in the future. But we've got more developments with Minnesota. They're looking to get rid of Jimmy Butler as fast as possible. They're hoping that they can get it done before Tuesday. They've given Butler permission to skip media day. So if anybody wants Jimmy Butler, they can have him. You're going to have to make your offer. They're going to have to look at offers, compare them. Maybe it won't happen before Tuesday, but they're definitely getting rid of Jimmy Butler. They're moving on now. And it's crazy. Social media has been going crazy. The players are beefing. Their family members are getting involved. It's looking ugly. The chemistry is messed up in Minnesota. That's one of the reasons why they offered this max contract to Towns. They're letting everybody know that they're going to go ahead and move forward with their team, their core of young players. And this is crazy. The off season has been crazy. The NBA season is right around the corner. Can't wait to see how it all unfolds. One turnover and you lose the meter. Ooh. Wow, I blocked the dunk and it still went in. That is embarrassing. See, look, I'm pretty sure he has more than 20 points right now. Let's take another look at this. Oh, wow. I didn't block it. He threw it to himself.